Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play your Roblox game. First, let's cover the essential controls for new players. Use the W, A, S, and D keys on your keyboard to move your character around the game world. Your mouse controls the camera, letting you look in any direction. Left-clicking often allows you to interact with items, pick things up, or talk to non-player characters. These basic actions are your foundation for enjoying any experience. Understanding the game's interface is crucial for effective play. You will typically see your health bar, often in the top left or right corner, indicating your character's current state. Your in-game currency, like Robux or coins, is usually displayed nearby. The chat window lets you communicate with others, and you can open it by pressing the / key. Keep an eye on various icons that provide valuable information about your status or available actions. To truly progress, you'll need to interact with the game world. Many experiences feature non-player characters who offer quests, stories, or important items. Simply walk up to them and click to start a conversation. You might find various resources like 20 pieces of wood or 3 glowing gems that automatically add to your inventory. Remember to check for special abilities or tools. These are often mapped to number keys 1 through 9, enhancing your gameplay considerably. Roblox is a highly social platform, and connecting with others enriches your experience. Use the chat for quick messages or utilize emotes to express yourself non-verbally. Customizing your avatar is a big part of the fun, allowing you to change outfits, accessories, and even your character's body shape from the main menu. Many games also offer private servers, which let you play exclusively with your friends. These often cost a small number of Robux, like 100, but offer a more intimate setting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.